Hi, this is Gregg Kopp with MarineMax Miami, and today I'd like to show you our new beautiful 400 Sea Ray Sundancer 2017. So as you board our new 400 Sundancer, you'll see it has a huge swim platform with a really nice cockpit grill and sink, as well as storage underneath. Nice cockpit. This boat's equipped with the Sure Shade, give you some extra protection from the sun. Beautiful colors, a ton of natural light on this 400 Sundancer. That opens up, add even more light. I also like how you can open these sliding doors and really open up and connect the outside with the inside. Really nice seating, a lot of seating for a 40-foot boat. As we go to the helm, you'll notice you have the twin screens, full electronics, including your joystick. Really nice colors. This boat is beautiful with the colors. Heading down, you'll see you have a very spacious master. Again, a lot of natural light. This one has the two-head layout, so it's great for overnighting and taking multiple people, families, kids. You've got 2 showers, 2 bathrooms on the boat. In the aft berth, you've got twin beds, which also can slide together. This one will slide aft, making a huge bed, or you can have it separate, as well as a lot of storage. Here is your second head. And this is our 400 Sea Ray Sundancer.